ground. We got him. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Give me your hands. Stand by, Central.
Oh my God!
We're going to need units for crowd control. Yeah. I got him with my car. That's what they're yelling about. Go on. Step back. Don't play with me. Step back. What hurts? Okay. From when you hit the ground?
Yeah, you know, man. You hit me with
Oh, I know. I know what I did. Why'd you run? I didn't hit him with the car. I blocked him with the car.
Yeah, he did. He's fine. He's in the back.
He hit the ground, but, I mean, no. He came this way and he ran into the hood of my car and bounced off.
As soon as I was, as long as you just make some kind of overt movement to strike him, you'll be fine.
No, I meant I did it in, like, to try to go in front of him.
The car already generally there, you do that when he hit it.